welcome to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have a completion post for you guys from Paintsomeway, and I want to thank Paintsomeway for sending this kit to me. I really do appreciate it, and I did not do an unboxing on this one. I thought I did, cannot find it. I think that it had inadvertently gotten deleted because there were some issues that I had on a couple of days with my recording, and I think that it was deleted, but I did complete it. Want to show you guys. This is another storage box that I can put in my Kallax, which is from IKEA, and this is a butterfly. It's all special drills. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Love the colors. The background on this is pink and purple, and my room is pink. It's almost that color that's here, if you can see that. And I think it will turn out really pretty when it is on my shelf. So wanted to show you whenever you put the little box up, and it's a perfect size for any of the storage containers or any of the storage boxes that had the little cubicles. And so that's what I'm using this for. So if I push it back like this, I can easily put things in there. And so now I have two from Paintsomeway. You've already seen this one, but look how cute that these two look together. I love this tree, and I love the special drills too. I don't always work on the special drills as much as I would like to, but I thought this would be really pretty. It is different. And let's bring them apart a little bit so you can kind of see. But they both have the same colors in them. They have yellows, they have white, they have the purple. This one has a little bit of pink, not a whole lot, but there's enough that is going to actually work with this box. So I will put them in my room. I will put them on two separate little cubbies. This one has some of my Bible journaling already in it, and this one right now is empty. I'm not sure I'm going to use this one for. I might use this for some stickers or some ephemera that I like to use on my cards as well as on my Bible journaling. And my Bible journaling is a mess on all my supplies. So I'm trying to find a place where I can put some of my kits together and it will be a good house for them. So I thought this would be absolutely perfect. And I've been looking for some of these containers anyway, these storage boxes, and I found some. I found some blue ones, I found some pink ones, some black ones, and they were okay. They were just kind of plain, but I thought, why not bling it up? I want my room to be really blingy and really pretty. I'm going to have some of my finished diamond paintings on the wall, so I thought this would be a perfect addition to my room. So again, I want to thank Paintsomeway. I will put the link to both of these underneath the description. As of the recording, I was able to go and look, and they had both of these still available. So they should still be available. They also have different styles of these, so you can look and see if you see anything that you would like. But I really do enjoy these. It did not take but about 2 hours for each of these to complete. And I had plenty of these special drills left over, especially on the rhinestones. And I do keep my discount rhinestones separate than my crystals that I get from DP with Sparklers, because there is a difference. I can definitely tell a difference, but these work out absolutely perfect for those discount companies. And then also, if I want to add just a little bit of bling to other of my diamond art clubs or whatever that I'm working on, I can still use these that I have left over if I don't have any from DP with Sparklers. Thanks so much for watching this video, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.